Hi guys, so we're eating now. And at tinisig kami. There.
Hi guys, Sasha told me to speak English.
You see this, guys? Napkin, please. Because my viewers wanna come.
Ate from England,
Oh no.
from London,
What did he
with
do?
British accent like Peppa Pig.
I'm Peppa Pig. Oink oink. Ula. Huh? Ula. Sweet. Mura. Anak. Guys, so you wanna try?